part 2 at the beach, and this is fun. My brother Will and sis Diana are playing tag right now. I'm following along. That's so far. This time I will do it to show them. But for now, let's do swimming. Okay, that's enough.
See all this stuff that's going to go down into like people.
Just having fun here. You can't hear us, it's okay. It's my first day. It's my first day with my brother. It's kind of surprising. How many likes do you think we'll get on this?
We'll get like 1 million likes, 100 subscribers. We'll get 1,000 notifications. We're gonna be the biggest YouTubers ever. We'll react and
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss another video.
you heard that. Now like it right now, like while you watching, back up, like the video right now. Yes, bro, you right now. We're not gonna continue the video until you like it.